Got a busted sewer line that needs to be repaired now? Have you heard about the new trenchless sewer line replacement technology? It is not only faster, it also saves you money. Now, when your sewer needs repair, you might be preparing to say goodbye to your yard or driveway. Well, with our new trenchless sewer service, you won't have to. We're able to replace your buried pipelines without the need for a trench. Our method is non-invasive, so it won't tear up your lawn. We'll be in and out in no time, and your sewer will be good as new with as little disruption to your home and family as possible. Trenchless sewer replacement is the state-of-the-art technology used in repairing and replacing damaged sewer lines. With trenchless piping, a tube is put through the line with an epoxy resin. A device is then sent down the line, which heats up the epoxy and expands the tube to the size of the existing pipeline. The new line hardens, leaving a new, clean line which can be used the same day as it is installed. This enables us to replace your existing sewer lines that have cracked, invasive tree roots, and constant problems without tearing up your landscape or driveway, thus saving you time and money. For rapid pipe repair or more information, contact us today.